High-pressure coolant delivery is rapidly becoming the preferred process in machine tool metalworking production. For improved efficiency, greater feeds and speeds, faster cycle times, better chip management, reduced work hardening, improved surface finish, and enhanced tool life. High-pressure coolant is the proven solution. Now, imagine all those benefits from an intelligent high-pressure coolant pump that could save up to 70% of your pump energy usage. Imagine one that knows the exact coolant flow rate required for every individual tool in your tool carousel, automatically, and delivers that right amount every time it's called into action. A pump that maintains the required coolant pressure irrespective of tool size, without bypassing excess fluid. Imagine a high-pressure coolant pump that will actually save you money. Imagine no more. Maximize productivity with the HydraCell sealless pump, the most energy-efficient, high-pressure coolant pump for your machine tool processes, with soft starts to avoid pressure spikes and pipe stress. Instant synchronization of flow rate to the individual cutting tool requirement, and simple pressure preset. No bypass of excess coolant. Easy installation with no special valves or pressure feedback loops. The ability to handle fines that can destroy pumps with dynamic seals and tight tolerances. Quieter in operation. Run dry capability. Greater cooling capacity with reduced cooler or sump size. Simple M-code actuation for on-off instructions. Minimal maintenance requirement. Extended pump service life. And rapid return on investment. For over 40 years, Wanner has supported customers across the globe, designing, manufacturing, and supplying HydraCell high-pressure coolant pumps for the metal cutting industry. Maximize productivity with HydraCell sealless pumps, the most energy-efficient, high-pressure coolant pumps for your machine tool processes.